Good morning, everyone. Hello. Today we're at the Naklua Seafood Market, Pattaya. It is very busy. Today is a holiday, and it is packed in here. It's always busy. Like before, they just cooked a big pile of shrimp. Man, did that smell good? Fish and squid on there right now. We're going to go inside, take a look around, see what's here. Like I say, this place is always busy. I actually found a parking spot today, which is the first time in probably 5 years. Normally you got to go park back by the ocean. Look at that, it's like Christmas. Good morning! That's the lady who made the Christmas sauce. The spicy dipping sauce. Seafood sauce. Really good. 50 baht a bag. Oh, seafood, yeah? Got the same thing over here. Eggs and oysters. And fried garlic. She's shy, that one. Very unusual. Pretty tight squeeze in here. Wow, look at the squid. Wow, octopus. 1 kilo, 260. Cuttlefish, squid, clams. I like those tiny little clams here. Oh, they're really good, yeah? But you can buy all kinds of produce and dried food in here as well. Wow, look at that. Crab eggs. $5.80 is a little expensive, but they're big. Look at those guys. Ice delivery, man. Pretty important in a place like this. Wow, that is beautiful. You got a lot of them, actually. Mud crab. And a very popular swimming crab. Crab. Lots of crab. Oh, look at these guys. No crab. Only poo. Only poo. I got the language wrong. Sorry. Witch's brew. She's cleaning cuttlefish. Can't remember the name again. I had these the other day. They were this size. They were old. They were not very good. These things are crazy. They can eat anything. Oh. See them turn around? Look at that. Nasty looking things they are. Like aliens. It's a basket of crab. At 500 baht a kilo. They're worth a lot. boys out. $50 per kilo for a live spiny lobster. Very rare thing to see here, especially this big. I guess with the tourist industry going, seafood restaurants are not taking them anymore. They're not cheap, that's for sure. Until they die, then they're cheap. Half price. The lady in the blue is very loud. We came to the intersection. To go this way, you go down to the ocean. Thank you, buddy. Oh, nice dog too. Busy place, yeah? Just a little bit busy. Not something you see very often in here either, or maybe never. Oysters this big. Those are huge, yeah? Beauties. A bonus of the tourist industry being dead. Locals get to have the good stuff. Beautiful too, yeah? Cheap, but they're dead, yeah? Look how beautiful it's laid out, yeah? I've only ever seen these lobsters here once or twice before. And today, there's at least 3. Oh, and over here, another one, 4. 4 people selling them. How things have changed. Look at those beauties. No price on them. But they're bigger than the 1200 baht, so probably 15. Not cheap, but if you got the cash, they're actually available now. Oh, there's a shrimp on the ground. He's running away. Look at this. It's like the ones used in the Singapore curry crab, yeah? They're 1400 baht per kilo. And I've seen them a lot in the market, but never this many and never this size. Normally they're much smaller like this. And you got lots of them here, tons. Further down, it's more dry food. Dried squid is quite popular. There's something different as well. Crab claws. Oh, babies. Baby, yeah. This place has changed a lot. These snails, always here, but not a lot. Scallops, oysters, crab claws, never seen. These, not a popular one, because they get used up by the tourist industry, where they're worth more. Hello, ladies. Oh, don't be shy. You're not shy. Hello. Look at the size of these cuttlefish. The shrimp just jumped out. Get them, dude. Get them. Whoa, look at the size of that, yeah? Beautiful, yeah? Really good, yes. Oh, that's it, guys. The wife has bought crab, shrimp, hello, squid. The cooler is full, and we got an 8-hour drive ahead of us, at least. Today's a holiday. It might be a lot more. It's gonna be a very, very long day. What a spot, huh? What a spot. Look at all the crab Full. All the tanks inside there, look at that. Excuse me, young fella. Thank you. Man, there's a lot of food in here, huh? Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Never know where I'm going to be, what I'm going to be up to. Just trying to get out of here right now. We'll finish the video with what this guy is cooking over here again. He's got shrimp now. If you buy the food, he'll cook it for you. For a price, I assume. Oh, look at that, huh? 5 trays of shrimp. Oh, there's another one. He's got help in the back.